welcome to my channel. My name is Zeta, if you don't know, and if you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today I'm going to be reviewing this hair that you see in my head, which is the Outre Batik loose body bulk wave hair. So I'm going to tell you about it from start to finish. Oh, and just to throw this in there, this is my first week impression. So it has only been installed for a week. So I'm going to let you know where I bought it. I bought it from houseofbeautyworld.com and it came in this white mailer. The shipping took about 2 to 3 days. It was pretty fast. I would say it's pretty fast. This is what the packaging looks like. So I ordered, and this is the little tag. So I ordered 3 of the number 4 and 1 pack of the 430. Now, let me just throw this in there. I watched other YouTubers and they said that they used 3 packs of hair. I'm gonna tell you right now, that did not work for me. So I don't know if I have a big head or because I know I have thick hair, but 3 packs was just not enough hair. And that was with me stretching and stretching and stretching the hair. It was just not enough. So by me ordering 3 packs was a big mistake. I ended up only being able to fill up like a little more than half of my head and I had to walk around with a hat on. So I ended up having to order 2 more packs of hair, and so that was not a good look for me. I really did not like that. Maybe that was my mistake for listening to other people. So you want to make sure that you order more than enough hair. So in total I had 5 packs and I used about 4.5 packs. So the length on this hair is an 18-inch, but you know, when I first installed it, it was about like almost close to my butt. And I did like it long, but I noticed that that did not work out for me. So starting off, I'm going to get all into it, all the details. Starting off, I'm going to give you the cons. Now, let's talk about the install. The install was hard as hell. I'm not gonna lie. Now, when you're installing this hair, it is nothing like installing the really deep curly hair. This hair is so soft and fine and silky that you really have to take your time when you're installing. The mistake I made was installing the hair just like I do the regular free tress curly type of hair, just by looping it about 4 times and pulling the knot up. Big mistake. Your knots will be slipping. You'll it's just loose. It just does not work. It does not stay. Now what I did was I installed about more than half of my hair like that, and it ended up having to take the whole thing down. I was not happy. I was like, you know what, I'm about to give up on this hair. This is just not gonna last. And something told me, you know, just watch a few more videos, see how people handle this type of hair or even the straight hair. So I found another YouTuber who was a lifesaver. I think she's called T-Day6. I'll link her below because homegirl will definitely hook you up. So I ended up watching some of her videos and watched the way that she knotted the straight hair, in which she pulls it through and then pulls the hair up. I didn't record the install, so I will link the video that I watched below so that you can see what I'm talking about. But anyway, if you can see the knots, they're a lot smaller and they're also tighter. She gave me hope when it came to this hair, because I was like, you know what, no, I'm about to take this out. This is not gonna work. And I was really upset, really unhappy, because I had a photo shoot, I have other things to do. So yeah. Okay, So anyway, yeah, that was a con. Another thing is this hair sheds. So if you see the length that I have right now, I ended up cutting it to about a little less than 16 inches. And I ended up cutting some layers in the front. So like I said, it came down like down to my butt. And at first I was liking it. I'm like, okay, I like this long wavy look that's going on. But I also exercise and work out, and for one, putting it up at night, and like the sweat when you work out, it gets like kind of like hard and crunchy, and you gotta like brush it out, excuse my French, you gotta brush it out just to bring it back. So I was like, you know what, no, let me cut the hair so that way it doesn't get as wet, as tangly or anything, because you really do not want to get this hair wet. And I actually like it more at this length. I feel like it's more flowy, it doesn't get as tangled, and it just feels soft and flowy. So I do like that. But yeah, you're definitely going to get shedding. That's just a given. Whenever it comes down to synthetic hair, you're just gonna have to deal with shedding. And the difference with this type of shedding is going to be straight hair shedding, and you may get those hairs just hanging off your shirt that you didn't even know about. They just there. So you definitely want to be mindful of that. I would say those are my only cons. Overall, my first impression is I do like the hair. I won't say I love it, but I do like it. I really like that, you know, the loose pattern, the loose wave is very soft. Very manageable, and even when you comb the tangles, they come right out. What I did do is I used some of my mango oil and just kind of lightly put it through the hair, and overall I really do like it. I would say that the install is time consuming, so if you don't have the time to really focus on installing the hair, I would recommend waiting until you do, or using a different curl pattern, because when you get into the front, you really have to take your time. Like, you have to use very, very small pieces. Otherwise, it's gonna look very bulky and it's not gonna look right. So you really do have to take your time with this. I do like that you can change your parting with this easily, especially if your knots are small, then you can really take your time with this. And yeah, you can switch it up however you want. And overall, I would say I like the hair. I'm still figuring it out. I'm gonna see if it's gonna last even 4 weeks. I don't know. So we'll just have to see. This is a lifesaver. You can actually get one of these at Dollar Tree. It's a detangler brush, only $1. Pick one of these up, because they definitely help. And do I have any more pros or cons about this hair? I would say that's about it. So I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful. And if you're thinking about trying this hair, I would say go for it if you have the time. If not, don't do it. Yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video.